Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarTravel.com, your Princess Cruises experts, and today I have the great pleasure of being on board the beautiful Sapphire Princess. This particular category is a mini suite. I've always really liked the layout of these particular mini suites. I'll take you through and show you why in just a minute. But keep in mind, when you're ready to book this beautiful room or any room or suite with Princess Cruises, make sure you reach out to the experts at Hard Travel or book it right on HarTravel.com. We know we can help craft the cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Hard Travel signature service every step of the way. Now let's tour the space. Now when you walk in the door, you're going to have a floor-to-ceiling mirror here to get ready, and I'm going to take you right around the corner, and you'll see that you have quite a bit of storage. So you'll have hanging storage all the way across here, a large shelf for storage up above. As I open this up, you're going to have shelves up and down for storage, and you'll also find a safe, perfect size for passport, wallet, or a small tablet. Now, one of the places you're going to find the big difference between the lower rooms and this is the bathroom. Now, as I step inside, you're going to find that you have quite a bit of space here with the vanity. You've got storage up and down, upgraded bath amenities, and then you're also going to have a plug for a razor. Storage underneath as well. And one of the signatures of this category is a bathtub shower combo. Now, I've traveled a lot with my kiddos. Having a bathtub is a huge advantage, but also if you're visiting one of the exotic parts of our world, you head on out, have a beautiful shore excursion, you can come back, have a nice bubble bath before you head out and enjoy this beautiful ship. Now, keep in mind, we do have the full ship tour on our channel for you to check out as well. Now you'll see they've got a large shower curtain. Wish it was a shower door, but I love the tub and the shower combo, shower head up above, and they'll replenish your bath amenities throughout your stay. Now as we head on in, I usually leave my medallion right here so I don't forget it when I head out. You've got a mirror to get ready, and as we step into the bedroom space, you'll see that you have your Princess luxury bed. They upgraded these recently with upgraded pillows, linens, and mattresses. It does split apart into two twins if that's your preference. Either way, there's plenty of space underneath the bed to tuck your large bags away. You've got nightstands on either side with drawers that you can tuck things away, and I love that the reading lamps also have USB chargers built in. Directly across, you're going to find a large flat panel TV. It's fully interactive so you can see what's going on throughout the ship. Of course, watch your favorite television channels or get caught up on the Love Boat. I always love watching those old episodes. You've got your temperature controls here, and then as we head further in, you're going to find that you have a mini fridge underneath here, tons of storage all the way up top, including a US plug, and then over here you're going to find a writing desk that doubles as a vanity. You've got your hair dryer, two US plugs, you also have drawers for more storage, and then you'll see that right here you have another lamp with a USB charger. Another US plug here, a separate temperature control, because this is really the sitting room or a second bedroom space. You've got a nice large sofa here you can use. You could also fold it out in certain cases to make it a bed, coffee table in the middle, and a second large flat panel TV. Also fully interactive so you can watch television or check out the amenities on the ship. Now let's see the balcony. So now we're out on your balcony. You've got two chairs and a table here. I love that the chairs have recline features, also an ottoman, nice large table. You can have every single meal right here if you want. Take advantage of that room service menu. Maybe just have a nice cup of coffee or tea in the morning, or a cocktail or glass of wine in the evening, and take advantage of the beautiful, ever-changing ocean views. Now we're currently on Dolphin Deck. From here, it sticks out just a little bit more. You're going to get some of the best views from the ship. You can imagine going through the glaciers in Alaska, maybe the Chilean fjords, or any of the beautiful spots that this ship visits. This is that perfect spot where you can get everything that cruising has to offer. Now, I did want to point out that it's important to understand that on Dolphin Deck, these stick out a little bit further, but they do have a little bit less privacy than some of the rooms up above. Now, when you're ready to book this particular room, make sure that you reach out to the experts at Hard Travel or book it right on HarTravel.com. We know we can help craft the cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Hard Travel signature service every step of the way.